So how's it going, ladies and gentlemen? What I got today are the Stanley Fatmax groove joint pliers, the old type, the old channel lock, original channel lock type. I have the couple of the original Stanley channel lock type groove joint right there, and I have those in my old green toolbox. But I want to get some Fatmax ones, so let's open these up and see what they are like. You know, don't scratch the new tool. Don't scratch the toolbox. There we go. Okay, here we go. And this guy, easier to do, methinks. There we go. So you got the three sizes that they offer: the 8-inch, 10, and 12. Now see, like the 12 compared to the old one, it's about the same size. Let's see. Yeah, they might even be in the same cast, just different, either different metals or different types of metal. Maybe hardened better than these, because these are okay. They get the job done, but the Fatmax, usually they're better metals. So, and yeah, these are different from the locking groove joint, which is right here, that push button. I like these a lot. Where these lock from going up, so you keep your setting. They don't push up automatically like some of the locking ones. I guess that's the new type. And these do have better teeth. Better tooth configuration than those. These do lock better, but I also like the classic channel lock type right there. Let's see. The little ones, they move, unfortunately. Yeah, they all move a little bit. Yeah, found these on eBay. 15 bucks for both of them delivered. That one was 15 delivered from Grenier. So 30 bucks. I got all three sizes, which is not bad at all. And even the old ones that I have, I've had them for 12, 13 years. Every time I've used them, I've abused them. So the Fatmax should last me for quite a long time. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz. Well, what I did notice, that the 10-inch that I just bought, model number 84804, I got another 10-inch Fatmax, 84804, with the 4-piece set. It was this, a needle nose pliers. I don't know where it's at. Maybe I left it laying around the garage somewhere. Maybe my wife grabbed it. She's good at grabbing things. Came with these two, and that right there. That does not have the same rivet. That's an actual rivet right there, the new one. That's the kind that a lot of people are not hot about. Well, but there we go.